the Snap Layout on Windows 11. Windows 11 introduces the Snap Layout feature, which allows you to easily arrange open windows in various configurations to optimize your workspace. This is a significant improvement from previous versions of Windows, making multitasking much easier. Here's how to activate and use the Snap Layout feature on Windows 11. Step-by-step guide to activate Snap Layouts. 1. Open an app or window. Start by opening any window or app you want to work with. Snap Layouts work with any app or window that you can resize. 2. Hover over the Maximize button. Move your cursor over the Maximize button, the middle icon in the top right corner of the window next to the Close button. When you hover over it, a Snap Layout menu will appear with different layout options. 3. Choose a layout option. The Snap Layout options allow you to divide your screen into multiple sections. Common layouts include 2 windows split 50-50, 3 windows split with 1 large and 2 smaller, 4 windows evenly split. Click on one of the available layouts to select it. 4. Choose the windows for each section. Once you select a layout, Windows will automatically prompt you to select other open windows to fill the remaining sections of the screen. Click on the windows you want to snap into the other positions. 5. Adjust Snap Layout settings, optional. You can also customize Snap Layout settings. To do this, go to Settings, System, Multitasking. Toggle the Snap Windows option to enable or disable Snap Layouts. Under Snap Windows, you can further adjust settings like automatically resizing snapped windows or showing snap layouts when hovering over the Maximize button. Using keyboard shortcuts for snap layouts. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can snap windows using Win arrow keys. This quickly moves and snaps the active window to different sides or corners of the screen. Why use snap layouts? Enhanced multitasking. Snap Layouts allow you to easily work with multiple apps on one screen, increasing productivity. Customizable layouts. Whether you're comparing documents, writing notes, or watching videos while browsing, Snap Layouts let you organize your workspace in the most efficient way. Seamless transitions. Snap Layouts make transitioning between tasks faster and more intuitive without having to manually resize windows. Summary. 1. Open a window and hover over the Maximize button. 2. Choose a layout from the Snap Layouts options. 3. Select additional windows to fill the layout. 4. Use Settings, System, Multitasking to adjust Snap Layout behavior if needed. This powerful Windows 11 feature makes organizing windows on your desktop a breeze, improving multitasking and productivity. #SEO title: How to Activate